Hi, Year 2. I think it could be really nice for us to get some arithmetic practice in. So here I'm going to go through the paper in this video that I posted to Cecil, and we can have a go at doing it together. Or if you already did it, you can check your answers against mine. Let's go straight into it. Question 1. 7 take away 2 equals something. I know my number bonds, and I know that 7 take away 2 is 5. But you can also have 7 in your head, hold 2 fingers up, 7. Count backwards, 6, 5. 7 take away 2 is 5. Question 2. 8 add 6 equals something. Do the same thing here, 8 in your head, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Got 6 fingers up, I did 8 add 6, and that gave me 14. Question 3. 1 less than 17 is something. This question, the word less, tells me I am looking for a number that is smaller than 17 by 1. I'm doing 17 take away 1. 17 take away 1 equals 16. 1 less than 17 is 16. 35 add 4. You could have 35 in your head and then add on 4, or you could do the method we've learned where we partition our 2-digit number into our tens and our ones, circle our tens, underline our ones, and let's focus on our ones first. We've got 5 add 4. See if you can beat me to it. 5 add 4. 5 add 4 makes 5 add 4 makes 9. Well done if you got it quicker than me. Now I need to add on my remaining tens. I've got 30, and I'm adding on my total of ones, which is 9. 30 add 9 makes 39. And I remember in a test, I always go back and write the answer in the box, so I can get that mark down there. Okay, next page. Oh, this question here. 20 equals 12 add something. Okay. I think this equation looks a little bit different, but I can definitely still work it out. I know in addition, a part add a part makes a whole. 12 add a part that we don't know will give us our whole, which is 20. I am looking for this part. To rewrite this equation, just so it makes a bit more sense in my head, I could actually just write it like I normally would. Part add part. I might write it here. Part add a part makes a whole. 12 add something equals 20. That looks a bit better to work with now. I'm looking for a number that I can add on to 12 to make 20. I'll give you 10 seconds to see if you can work it out. Okay, 12 add 8 makes 20. Well done if you got it. 20 equals 12 add 8. Question 6. 60 add 30 equals something. I can use my number bonds here. If I know that 6 add 3 makes 9, then I know that 60 add 30 equals 90. You could also, if you feel comfortable, get 60 and then add 10 on 3 more times. 60, 70, 80, 90. 60 add 30 makes 90. Question 7. 10 add 6 equals 13 add something. Okay, this looks like quite a scary equation, but really it's just 2 equations that equal each other. We'll rewrite these to make it a lot easier to work with. I've got the equation 10 add 6 equals something. And I've also got the equation 13 add something equals something. This equal sign here is telling me that whatever the answer to 10 add 6 is going to be the answer for 13 add something. Well, let's work through it step by step. 10 add 6 is 16. Oh, and that equal sign is telling me the whole for this equation will be the same whole for this equation. So that's telling me 13 add a part will also give me 16. The same whole, just different numbers. Okay. 10 add 6 is 16. 13 add something makes 16. 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, 13 add 3 makes 16. 10 add 6 equals or is the same as 13 add 3. Because 10 add 6 makes 16 and 13 add 3 also makes 16. Next one. We've got 10 add 73. You could get 73 in your head and add on 10. You could also, if you feel comfortable, just add on your 10 to 73, focusing on your 10s. I'm going to do the method I know best, which is partitioning my 2-digit number into my 10s and my 1s, circling my 10s and underlining my 1s. I'm doing 10 add 70, which is 80, and then I need to add on my remaining 1s. We can't leave our 1s out, they get lonely. 80 add 3 makes 83. 10 add 73 makes 83. Okay, oh, I love these questions because we've done so much work on adding 3 one-digit numbers. I know the first thing I do in an equation like this is I look for a number bond to 10 or a double. Because if I work those out first, it makes the rest of the equation so much easier. I've got 4 add 9 add 6. 4 add 9. Would I start with? Oh, no. Because if I add these numbers first, I get a number bigger than 10. I don't want that. Ooh, 4 add 6 makes 10. I know that using my number bonds. 4 add 6 equals 10. We've already done 2, easy peasy. And now we just need to add on our remaining value. 10, because that's the total of 4 and 6. Add 9 gives me 19. 4 add 9 add 6 makes 19. I've got 56 take away 31 equals something. I know how to do this one. I'm going to partition both of my numbers into my 10s and my 1s. I've got 50 and 6, 30 and 1. Circle my 10s, underline my 1s. Let's start with our 10s. We're doing 50 take away 30. Can't forget, it's take away. I actually really like to circle the operation in my equation just to remind myself of what I'm doing. I'm going to circle that subtract so I remember that's what I need to do. 50 take away 30 makes 5 take away 3 is 2. So 50 take away 30 must be 20. And now I'm going to work on my 1s. 6 take away 1 makes 5. Add my totals together. 20 add 5 equals 25. 56 take away 31 equals 25. Okay, 11. 27 add 30. We know how to do this one. Let's get partitioning. Circle those 10s, underline the 1s. Work on your 10s first. 20 add 30 makes 2 add 3 is 5. So 20 add 30 is 50. And I'm adding on my remaining 1s. 50 add 7 makes 57. 27 add 30 makes 57. Okay, question 12. Oh, I can see here that I've got a sequence. 3, 6, 9, something. You may have already spotted the pattern if you know a times table, but I'm going to work through this. I know I've got an increasing sequence because my numbers are getting greater each time. But by how much? 3 to 6. How many jumps am I making? What do I need to add on to 3 to get to 6? 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. I'm adding 3. I wonder if we'll see a pattern here. 6 to 9. 6, 7, 8. Ah, look at that. I'm adding 3. My sequence is going up in 3 each time. To get this number here, I need to go 9 and add on 3. 9 add 3 equals 9. 12. My answer must be 12. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. You may have already spotted. Oh, we've done that one. Okay, getting close to the end now. Question 13. Something equals 48 add 23. Just to remind you, don't get confused by the equation being written like this. It is the same thing. A whole equals a part add a part, or a part add a part makes a whole. They've just written it with the whole in front this time. But it's the same thing, just flipped over. In our test, lots of us started reading it as 32 add 80. We're not reading it backwards. It is the same thing, just rearranged. Remember, we can write this again. A part add a part makes a whole. 48 add 23 equals something. That's what we're looking for. We can do this by partitioning our 2-digit numbers. Now, actually, in this equation here, we would do something called regrouping. And that just means that if I add my ones together, I'm going to get a 2-digit number. We're actually not going to do this question yet because this is where we would use column method, which we haven't done in year 2 yet. So I'm going to skip this one out. You would not get a question like this if we haven't done it in class. But if you're curious and you want to know the answer to it, 48 add 23. But there is no need for anyone to know this yet. We haven't done column method. I just know lots of people prefer that and have already done it, and that would be your answer. But we're going to ignore that, pretend question 13 doesn't even exist, because it would not come up. Question 14. 100 take away 70. Ooh, 100 take away 70. I'm going to use my number bonds here, but it might be a bit harder to spot. The number bonds we're using are 10 take away 7. 10 take away 7 equals 3. If I know 10 take away 7 is 3, then 100 take away 70 gives me 30. I'm ignoring the 0 for now and then adding it back on after. And question 15, I'm also going to skip because this would require column method and we haven't done that yet, so we can just ignore it. It wouldn't come up. Okay. I hope this video was helpful in seeing how we would answer some of these questions. By all means, feel free to go back to this test that I uploaded and have a go again, or re-watch the video and do it along with me. See if you can notice mistakes you made before or quicker ways to do something. You might find a method that's quicker than mine that you're more comfortable with, and that's completely fine. I also just want to take this time to say well done, Year 2, for having such an amazing start to our autumn term. I'm really, really excited to continue doing maths with you, and we're all doing an amazing job. So keep shining, superstars.